Don't do that, man. That's not cool.
That shit was so funny. And just fucking... There it goes again.
You're a fucking asshole, dude. It's like, no, I got dignity. Fuck that. No, I don't. Piece of shit. Come on.
Hold on, just let it be for a second.
Come on, let's get you out of here. Ass face.
How long can that thing sneeze for?
I don't know, something must have gotten her out.
Oh my god, that shit's funny.
You're a dick face.
Oh, where did she go?
I put her in the kitchen.
Come here, B.
So that way you wouldn't have to fucking humiliate her.
B, come here.
Don't come here, B. He's just trying to take advantage of you. He wants YouTube fame.